Hey, what you got there? What do you got there? Hi guys, good morning. I am on the road today and I'm going to the supermarket. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and yeah, just to get a few necessities for the house. So come along for the drive. Okay guys, so I am outside with the boy. I just brought him out here to let him get some sun and some activities and just play around and have some fun in the sun. So that's what I'm out here doing, and I was gonna blow some bubbles for him. So yeah, today is a much better day than yesterday. Yesterday it rained all afternoon, so I didn't take him outside. So today, there he is. So today he's outside with me, and hey, what you got there? What do you got there? See your bucket? You're not gonna get your bucket? Oh boy, he's picking up everything. He's a boy. That's what they do. What you doing? Hey, do you want us to blow some bubbles? Do you want to blow some bubbles? So I think I'm going to vlog get to know me video, and it's like this mosquito. I think I'm gonna vlog a get to know me video, maybe a 25 random facts about me, just so people could get to know me, because I am not gonna make my channel a vlog channel, but maybe every now and then I would like to show what, you know, what I do in my day and things like that. So a get to know me tag would let people know me a little better, you know, get to know me. This shirt I'm wearing I got on Amazon. It says subscribe to my channel. I love it. It's nice. It's a great tool to use to get people to subscribe to your channel. Yeah, this little one running all over the place, but that's what I brought him out here to do, for him to run and have some fun, because he loves it outside. Okay guys, I wanted to show you what's for lunch today. We have Brussels sprouts and broccoli, cauliflower and carrots over here. And over here we got some stewed conch with coconut milk and a little bit of spinach and some white rice. Yes, so that's lunch. And over here we have some fried plantains. I love plantains. So yeah, that is lunch, and lunch will be served shortly, so stay tuned for that. All right guys, this is lunch. We got some conch, we got fried plantain, Brussels sprouts, and broccoli, cauliflower, and carrot steamed with some white rice and some juice over here. So yeah, that is lunch today.